CSE providing highly industrialized automated solutions backed by strong technical expertise in India since 1991. Kindly walk us through your journey so far.
So CSE has been in India since 1991. So we have, we've been here for almost 2 decades. CSE, we are present in 7 locations across India. So we are there in Noida, we are there in Chennai, in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Indore, and Vadodara. And so we have close to 24,000 employees across these 7 locations. We have been steadily expanding our footprint here in India, and we are supporting close to 250 plus clients out of this operation.
Which type of service are you currently providing?
So we are supporting our commercial clients from India, and so this includes application services, infrastructure services, and BPO, and also business solutions and services. So within applications, we are supporting in the areas of ERP, testing, and many others. And also in infrastructure services, we are supporting the entire span of infrastructure services, right from computing to network and others.
Share your views on growth of IT sector of India in context of economic slowdown, which is going on these days, I suppose.
So I think the IT sector in India is still going to be growing fairly steadily, and as per NASSCOM, it would be growing at least in the 12 to 13% range in a year. And the domestic sector in India is also, going to be growing at about 15% as per the research reports that you read. So I think yes, there is a slowdown, but I think in an environment like this, our clients, global clients, are clearly investing in technology because it adds a lot of efficiency to their business. So that's what I feel.
What is CSE's expansion strategy for 2012 in India?
So we will continue to expand our footprint in India, and we would be extending our capabilities in India across our key technology solutions that we provide, so which are in the area of cloud, mobility, applications. So we will be investing in these areas.
That means you are planning to introduce some new services in these areas, like cloud computing and.
See, India is the second largest delivery location for CSC. So we are a large delivery center, but there are also a lot of our leading edge offerings that emerge from India. So like in the past, we've had unified communications as a service, testing on the cloud, and mobility. A lot of these solutions have been developed or architected from India, and I think we will continue on this path.
Last one, CSE established a mobility center of excellence in India. Can you tell me how is this initiative helping the company to go further?
So I think mobility, mobility is a key area of focus for our clients, and I think especially in a lot of consumer-facing industries like banking, healthcare, and we are focusing on this and developing a lot of mobile solutions which are in tune with our customers' needs.
When these solutions will come to? I mean, how much time it will take?
Well, some of them are in development, and these are being done for our key offshore clients. So they're already in development and in use. We've already executed some projects on clients.
Like in?
Meaning? I didn't understand.
Can you give me some explanation on any project which is recently CSE has launched, or on which CSE is working?
No, actually we can't take the names of clients, and a lot of these solutions are specific to clients. But I think they're being done for our healthcare clients, for our banking clients, particularly these two sectors.
Okay, which innovative marketing initiatives have been undertaken by CSE recently in India? And what are your future plans? I mean, the future marketing strategies which CSE is going to adapt.
So in terms of marketing, we have been focusing a lot on events. So we look at it like this, that one, we need to also build a very strong internal brand because we have a large workforce. and we had hosted an event called Technologies and Business Solutions Showcase in December 2011. So this is actually a global event, and it happened for the first time in India. So it's going to happen on an annual basis in India, and this was held in Noida. And subsequently, we would possibly look at other cities and shift from Noida to other cities. So this is really a platform for us to get together our employees, our customers, as well as partners. So get the entire ecosystem together, because CSC believes a lot in innovation, right? We have a big foundation of innovation. And so this is a platform really where, this is a learning and knowledge sharing event where everyone comes together, and our employees get a chance to interact with our partners and, see what are the technologies they bring to work with us. And also, we learn from each other. So in fact, in this event, we had close to about 180 breakout sessions which were attended by our employees. So we had a showcase area, so we had demos that were going on. So this is one key marketing activity we did from an internal perspective. And we've also been participating in a lot of external events. Like for instance, we have always been gold sponsors of the NASSCOM India Leadership Forum, and we also participated in some other customer events this year. So our focus is really to increase awareness of CSC with our CIO community, and also at an industry level to increase the thought leadership that we have.
With all these initiatives, where do you find CSC in next 5 years in India?
So, I can't make any prediction. I think the IT services market is very, dynamic. It's growing, but I think CSC is on a leadership path in some areas, and I see ourselves really enhancing our capabilities, of our India operations, and supporting our customers. Continuing to support our customers from here.
Thank you.